I've got a job here which is to take a little bit off the thickness of these wheel spacers. They're adapters actually. So that you can put 5 stud wheels onto 4 stud hubs. But the guy who's got these, he thought they were going to work out, and they're a bit too wide. He's asking if we can reduce the thickness by 10 millimeters. It's not going to be possible because where the studs go in each side, the 4 studs on the other side, the 5 studs on this side, take too much metal off, and you're not going to have enough metal around the studs. It's going to weaken it pretty seriously. But I think we can take something off. That's by the by, really. If this was a plain disc, just facing it wouldn't be a big deal. This has got this locating ring on the front here, which obviously is what your wheel goes on. So in facing this, I want to maintain this. This has got to stay there. So I need this to be running with this concentric. I can't have this waggling up and down as it's turning around. The things are made pretty good already. I've been checking this. The problem we've got in a standard self-centering 3-jaw chuck, a set of outside jaws, hardened outside jaws, and we're getting a bit of run out. What's that, 6 thou? 7, 8. That's a bit too much, really. And if I put that indicator down onto this, we'll get about the same. And the high point is in the same position, you know, it's here and it's here. So these bits are pretty concentric. The chuck is out, which situation normal for a 3-jaw chuck. With the standard jaws, I usually find that I can get within about 3 thou, but this 8 thou is a bit more than I want, really. So we need to get this running a bit more true. One way would be to put 4-jaw chuck in it and fiddle about with that. I'm not keen on doing that. Swapping chucks on this is well, they're big lumps of metal. It's something I'd rather not do. Getting too old for lugging big chucks around. So we're going to have a go at just putting some soft jaws in here. I've got some which are close to being about the right size and shape, but I think we're going to have to turn them. Well, that is pretty damn good. I've just put the jaws in. They've obviously been machined before for something else anyway, and pretty close to the size of this piece. So, yeah, we're not going to need to turn that, I don't think. That's looking pretty good to me. We'll just check it on the shoulder, the register down here, and see that that's within the same. Well, we're only getting really a thou run out. I think that's certainly good enough. It'd be nice if this was spot on, but let's have a look and see. Well, that's a bit peculiar because this is actually running more. This is actually running out more on this register than it is on the OD. Oh, that is annoying. Do I need to skim this? I really want this better than that. Yeah. We'll try the old trick of just taking the part out of the chuck and turning it around and putting it back. It really shouldn't. Well, I don't know. This is suggesting that this is not quite concentric with that. So maybe if we turn the whole thing around, we can get it better. Let's give that a go. Well, that's pretty good, I think. I think we can live with that. And that's just from slacking the chuck, turn a piece round, tighten it up, try it again, repeat until you find a spot that works. Crazy, really. But yeah, that's pretty good. So let's go ahead with this. Actually, I should check that it's not doing this. And it isn't, apart from a bump. Well, this has had a knock, so there's a bump there, but apart from that, that's fine. So let's go ahead and turn this thing.